Solving exponential equations. Today's first question. 8 to the power x minus 2 equals to 1 divide 16. We can solve any math lots of way. In here we are trying to follow like this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3 and times x minus 2, right? Equal 1 divided 16. This one we can write 1 divide 2 to the power 4. Very simple. Next, 2 to the power here 3x minus 6 equal 1 divided 2 to the power 4. Against this one we can write, we know 1 divide a to the power n, it means a to the power minus n, as per exponential law of negative, or we can say negative law. Negative exponent, this one we can write 2 to the power minus 4. Now look, the base are same, it means the power will be equal. So 3x minus 6 equals to minus 4. How? Because we know once a to the power m equals to a to the power n, the base are same. In this case power will be equal, it means m equals to n. Now we are adding both side by 6, so it will be 3x equals to minus 4 plus 6. Then 3x equals to minus 4 plus 6, it means 2. Now we are dividing both side by 3, so it will be x equals to 2 by 3. This is our required answer. I hope you clear this one. Next question, number 6. 25 to the power 2x equals to 125 to the power x plus 2. This 25 we can write 5 squared, and here times 2x equals to 125 we can write 5 to the power 3 times x plus 2. Now look, the base are same, that's why we can write here the 2 times 2x, it means 4x equals to, here will be 3x plus 6, right? Because we know once the base are same, the power will be equal. Now here 4x, and we are subtracting both side by 3x, so it will be minus 3x, and this 3x will be out, so here is only 6. Now 4x minus 3x, it will be x equals to 6, and this is our required answer. I hope you cleared this one. So number 6 done. Number 7. 9 to the power x plus 1 equals to 27 to the power x plus 4. So first this 9 we can write 3 square and times x plus 1 equal 27 can be write 3 to the power 3 and times x plus 4. Okay. Then the base are same, so we can write this one 2x plus 2, and here is a 3x plus 3 times 4 is a 12. Now we can subtract both side by minus, we can subtract both side by 3x, so 2x minus 3x, and also we can subtract by 2, so these 2 will be out, and here will be 12, these 3 out, and plus 2 become minus 2. So here is a minus x equals 12 minus 2 is a 10. Now we are dividing both sides by minus 1, so x equals to minus 10. This is our answer. So question 7 done. Question 8. 36 to the power 2x plus 4 equals to 216 to the power x plus 5. So the base are not same, but we have a way to make same. How? This 36 we can write 6 square, and here is a 2x plus 4 equal 2 and 6 can be write 6 to the power 3, and here is x plus 5. Now our base are same. So this case, once base are same, that time power will be equal. So this one we can write 4x plus 8 equal 3x plus 15. So here is a 4x, and this 3x become minus 3x, and here is a 15 plus 8 become minus 8. Okay, it means we are subtracting both sides by 3x and 8. Now look, 4x minus 3x, it will be x, and 15 minus 8, it's a 7. And this is our required answer. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. So question 8 has done. Question 9, and it's the last math of this video. 1 divide 64 to the power x minus 2 equals to, here is a 16 to the power 3x plus 1. This 64 we can write, here is a 1 divide 2 to the power 40. Look, 64 can be divided by 2, so here is a 32. Again divide 2, it's a 16. Divide 2, it's a 8. Again divide 2, it's a 4. Divide 2, again 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 2 to the power 6, it means 64. And here is a x minus 2. And this 16 we can write 2 to the power 4. And here is a 3x plus 1. Now as per negative exponent, we can write 2 to the power minus 6. And here is x minus 2 equals to 2 to the power 4 times 3x plus 1. Now look, the base are same. So we can easily write minus 6x, minus and minus once you multiply, it will be plus, and here is 12. And here is again 12x, 4 plus 4 times plus 1, it means plus 4. Now minus 6x, and this 12x become minus 12x. Here is a 4, and this plus 12 become minus 12. Now here is a minus 18x, and here is a minus 8. Now we are dividing both sides by minus 18. So it will be x equals to minus 8 divide minus 18. So minus and minus out, it means we are divide. And 8 divide 18, this fraction we can divide by 2. So here is a 4, and here is a 9. So our answer will be 4 divide 9. So x equals to 4 by 9. This is our required answer. So thank you very much for being with me. By 2 videos, we are trying to solve 9 math based on exponential equation. Next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you.